So friend, hello and welcome back to my channel. The Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 was announced yesterday and it is already on sale in China. Digital Chat Station has posted some hands-on photos and thoughts on Xiaomi's latest Flip foldable. The phone's larger battery, 5165 mAh up from 4780 mAh on the original, promises longer battery life. The phone also supports wireless charging at 50 watt. More on that the accessories later. The Snapdragon 8 Elite has performance when needed but is also capable of running efficiently. The displays are the same size as last year, 4-inch cover display and 6.86-inch inner display. The crease on the inner display is very small and best in the industry. Report TCS. As for the cover display, it was measured at 810 nits of brightness in sunlight mode, which results in good visibility outdoors. Going back to wireless charging, the Xiaomi offers magnetic cases that work with MagSafe compatible chargers and stand. Additionally, Xiaomi has built a portable photo printer, and this $100 add-on has a shutter key and can turn your digital shots into physical photos that you can share. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.